If you're still chasing $10 gigs on Fiverr or fighting for $50 projects on Upwork, you're not freelancing. You're working a digital minimum wage job. Because in 2026, freelancers are charging $100, $150, even $300 per hour, and clients are paying them happily. And no, this is not one of those fake make money online lists. In this video, I'll show you 7 real freelance jobs paying $100 plus per hour, with real market demand, real proof, and a beginner roadmap for each. Let's get straight into it. Before we start, here's the truth. Clients don't pay you $100 per hour because you work hard. They pay you $100 per hour because your skill creates results. You either make them more money, save them time, or protect their business from loss. That's what high-paying freelancing is. Now let's go. Job number 1, AI automation consultant. This is one of the hottest freelance careers in 2026. AI automation consultants build systems that do work automatically for businesses. Examples: lead collection automation, chatbot customer support, and auto email follow-ups. Tools used: Zapier, Make.com, Airtable, Notion, ChatGPT API. And businesses love this because automation saves them hours every week. If you save a business 10 hours per week, and their time is worth $100 per hour, you just created $1,000 of value every week. Beginner start. Learn Zapier basics. Then learn Make.com. Build 3 demo automations. Record your screen and sell it as saving time and increasing revenue. Job number 2, performance marketer. If you can run ads profitably, you will never be broke. Businesses pay marketers insane money because ads generate sales. If you spend $1,000 in ads and generate $5,000 in revenue, your client doesn't care if you charge $150 per hour. They care about ROI, skills needed, Meta Ads Manager, Google Search Ads, tracking pixels, retargeting, and basic funnels. Beginner start. Pick one niche like real estate or dentists. Run one small test campaign. Take screenshots as proof. Sell your service as lead generation. Job number 3, Webflow or Framer designer. This one is exploding. Businesses want modern websites that convert visitors into customers. Webflow and Framer designers build landing pages, SaaS websites, and coaching funnels. These projects easily pay $2,000 to $10,000 because a website isn't just design, it's a sales machine. Beginner start. Learn Webflow University. Copy 2 high-end website layouts to build a portfolio. Job number 4, Hide-a-Kit copywriter. Copywriting is not good English. Copywriting is sales psychology. Write email sequences, sales pages, ads, and scripts. Businesses pay insane rates because good writing prints money. One email campaign can generate $50,000. So paying a copywriter $2,000 or $5,000 is nothing. Beginner start. Study direct response writing. Write 20 practice emails and 2 sales pages. Create a portfolio in Google Docs. Job number 5, short-form video editor. Shorts, TikTok Reels. This market is insane. Every creator wants content. But only a few editors know retention editing, fast cuts, subtitles, zoom effects, sound effects, and pattern breaks. That's why top editors earn $3,000 to $10,000 per month on retainers. Beginner start, edit 20 sample shorts, and create before and after edits. Job number 6, cybersecurity consultant. Cybersecurity is one of the highest paying freelance fields because businesses are getting hacked daily. Companies hire freelancers for security audits, vulnerability scanning, and cloud security. If you prevent a $50,000 loss, they happily pay you premium. Beginner start. Learn networking basics. Practice on TryHackMe. Learn basic security tools. This skill is hard, but that's why it pays. Job number 7, Power BI or data analyst. This is the boring one, but boring skills pay the most. Power BI consultants create dashboards that show sales growth and customer trends. Companies pay huge money for clarity. Beginner start. Master Excel. Learn Power BI basics. Build 3 dashboards using sample data and upload them in a portfolio. So those are the top 7 freelance jobs. AI automation, ads, Webflow, copywriting, short-form editing, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Now here's the brutal truth. If you keep chasing easy skills, you'll stay broke online. High income comes from high value. Pick one skill from this list, commit for 30 days, build proof, and start charging like a professional. Now comment below, which one are you choosing? Type the number 1 to 7. Subscribe if you want my next video on finding clients, because that strategy is how real freelancers win in 2026. See you in the next one.